Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this series, I would like to explore more on the Exco libraries, which is heavily used in BTP ABAP environment. One of the main Exco libraries is JSON utility classes, where you can basically create a new JSON from the scratch, or you can just transform the JSON data from ABAP to JSON format or JSON format to ABAP. So you can read the JSON data and you can convert it out. So you can basically play with the JSON data. So this will be really useful if you are working on if in case you are working on integration projects where you are consuming the REST API from a external system. So you will be mostly using this, Exco JSON library. In this video, I'm going to just simply create this JSON data. Okay, this is a valid JSON data. I from the ABAP end. Okay, that's what we are going to see. Okay, so let's get started. So I have this class is already created. Okay, so this is the library class I was mentioning. Okay, so there is something called data. So we are trying to create the JSON data from the scratch. Okay, so basically in this use case, you have to use this builder object. Okay, if you are trying to create from the scratch. Okay, so you have this builder class, builder object. So this builder object, just get it somewhere here, builder. Okay, so yeah, so what exactly we are trying is the same thing, like we just opened add this open brace, and there is a name called employee data. In this employee data, we will be having this 3 columns and values. Okay, so let's try to add. So in order to first we need to just try to create this open brace, which is basically it's a kind of a, this is a JSON object. Okay, so you need to create an object for this. So there are many methods here. Just you have to start with this begin object. Okay, just open here. Once you begin the object, next thing you can use like this chain methods. So next thing what you have to do is, that is a employee data. Here you have to this is the same name, we can keep it. Okay, so there is something called add member, right? This is the method I would like to use it here. So you can use you can add it in the string format. So it's like employee data, right? And so you can give it like this, or you can give it like this. Yes, okay, let's go with this one. And yeah, so I would like to again, so we have added this, and again you could see there is a open brace. So which means we need to create the begin object again. You have to create the begin object one more time in this case. So I will add it here. There is begin object here. Okay, so nothing, you don't need to mention anything here. Then once you begin the object, what is the first column is the first name, right? This is a member actually, right? This is the member. So you can add first name here. Then next, once you add in the name, you have to add the value. The value for the first name is Ashok, which is a format of string, right? So you can add a string simply here. Ashok. Perfect. Yeah. So let me keep it here. Yeah. So next it's done, and we have to add the salary and this married column. Okay. So next this salary will be added as a member here. Okay. Salary. Then and here it's basically an integer type, right? It's a number, right? So I'm just adding a number here, like something like 50,000. And then next is again add member for this married. Yeah, married, exactly. Yeah, so here in this case it's a boolean values, right? It's a true here, so you have to add a boolean. So add a boolean here, so you can add a back underscore true. Perfect. Yeah, so once it is done, we have to definitely close this two braces. Here we have open two braces, and we have to close this two braces to this, like we have begin the object, right? We have to end the object, right? So 2 times you have to use in the object. Yes, in the object. Perfect. Yeah. So now you have added, you have built the JSON from the scratch, and all this information will be there in your builder class. Okay, sorry, builder object. So now you want to retrieve the data, right? So we have created this we want to see the data, whether it has been created successfully or not, right? So for this, what you have to do is just call this builder. There is a method called get data. So this is the get data. Okay, and here this get data will return you the data object, and you want to convert this to the string format. Okay, yes, that's it. So simple. So you can convert finally this to the string format. Okay, then I will just put it as a output. Okay, right. So let's try to write it in the console to verify whether it report JSON data what we expected. Report. Okay, source code, format, syntax check, activation. Okay, everything looks fine, and let's execute this now. Cool. See, this is the old one. Just remove. Okay, we will cancel this and remove first time again. Yeah. So you could see here our data will be like this. So this is the open first project, and you will have the employee data, right? And there is something called the first name, which is Ashok, and salary 50,000, expiry true, and 2 crores classes. So this now is perfectly created, right? So this is how we can create the data from the scratch. Okay, that's it about creation of the simple JSON data from the ABAP using this Exco JSON utility class. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day.